Sabyasachi. Let me go across to Amita as well. Amita, we can see this clash between TMC and BJP, not just on the ground, on social media as well, I believe.
Absolutely, and when Sabyasachi was pointing out how this face-off is only escalating, let's put that out exactly when it comes to videos and pictures that have been put up by the BJP leaders. This is Shubhendu Adhikari there, where he says that he's worked alongside when it comes to the BJP for Bengal Karyakartas at Nandigram in support of the statewide Bandh called by the BJP to protest against the state-sponsored efforts to derail the RG investigation and protect the perpetrators of the heinous crime, and the incessant lathi charge and the use of brute force, tear gas and water cannons on the agitators who were marching peacefully yesterday during the Nabarno Abhiyan of the Paschim Banga Chhatra Samaj, and also including Amit Malviya of the BJP saying that the Bengal Bandh called by the BJP for Bengal is to demand justice for the Arjika rape and murder victim, disproportionate use of force on protesting students marching towards Nabarno and seeking Mamata Banerjee's resignation has become celebration of democracy with the people participation. And of course, when it comes to this 12-hour Bandh that now is seen reflecting on ground with the detention of several BJP leaders as well, Meghna.
Absolutely. In fact, do stay on with us. Let me go across to Tapas, where he is right now. We have Sukanta Majumdar, who's trying to lead this this protest march despite not having a permission. Listen in.
Well, yes, Sukanta Majumdar is here in Bagwati right now, and he wanted to do a rally till a place called Joda Mandir, and he was allowed to come till this very place, and our police have held him, and he will not be allowed any further. And interestingly, he just made an announcement that from tomorrow onward, there will be a dharna protest at Esplanade, the Dharamtalla, the heart of the city, where they will be holding the dharna protest, where all senior leadership of the BJP will be participating, and it will be against the autocracy, so as he calls, in the state of West Bengal, and also demanding justice for the Arjikar victim. So given the situation, today we are seeing Bandh called by the BJP. It's not going to stop here. So from tomorrow onward, they will be holding dharna protest at Dharamtalla, the central part of Kolkata. This is an attempt by the BJP to exert continuous pressure onto the Trinamool Congress government here in West Bengal. As you can see that now Sukanta Majumdar is addressing the crowd here in Bagwihati, but he will not be allowed to venture anywhere else because huge police bandobast and deployment have been done, and he will not be allowed to venture anywhere further. Now it remains to be seen whether Sukanta Majumdar stops here or he tries to move on, because police said that if they try to violate, in that case they will be taken into custody.
Keep tracking the developments on that front. Thank you so much for getting us all those details. Tapas, Shreyashi, as well as Sabyasachi. We are going to keep coming back to you for more updates. But look at these visuals. You can see tires being burned. Public transport has been affected due to the vandalism that we've already seen unleashed. Remember, there is no permission which was given to call for this Bengal Bandh. We've also seen several of the BJP leaders, some of them top leaders as well as MPs, being detained by the Kolkata police. You can see buses being stopped, drivers being forced to wear helmets while they are going on their bus routes. That's the extent of violence that we are seeing unfolding on the streets of West Bengal. Both sides of the ideologies must answer as to why there are protesters lying on the rail tracks, disrupting rail services, why drivers of buses are being forced to wear helmets, why there is vandalism, arson, and of course, following that, several detainments which have been made at the end of it. Who really has hijacked this cry for justice and turned it into a political slugfest? That's going to be the top focus here on Times Now. For the timing, however, a short break. Don't go anywhere. Siddharth joins you on the other side.